Okay. Hello, I'm 4, and we're back with episode 5 of 4's Fantastic Fantasy. Today this will be the final episode for this batch of episodes. So, last episode we made new teams and did our first challenge. Made teams in our first team challenge. Today will be our second team challenge. What's that challenge, you may be asking? Well, you see, you still have this pile of 120 crayons, some of which are broken, yes, sitting down here. Your challenge today is something related to the pile of crayons sitting down here. To help you guys, it's helping get put away, isn't it? Something like that, yes. Yeah, I'm fine, whatever. Well, here's the thing. Each team will be responsible for picking out and sorting a bunch of crayons. The first team to correctly pick out the last two teams. So I'm going to give each team a crayon color or something. So let's put away the crayons. Honestly, sure. I'm going to count the crayons. We're going to take a marker and a little piece of paper. And we're going to write down how many crayons each team puts away. The two teams with the lowest amount of crayons put away, we have Book L, SC, Rough, Fence, Oil Platform, and Thomas. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And lastly, it's Iceberg. Okay. Each time you get a crayon, it'll be added, a dot will be added to your section of the page. The two teams with the least amount of crayons at the end, with the least amount of points for crayons put back in the box at the end are up for elimination. Go. Alright. So, don't we just... You know what? How's this? Since there's 120 crayons, the first team to have each member put so 10 times 6 is 60. The first team to have each anyway, just start putting crayons away. How is it even going to work at the challenge? Well, you see, crayons. What? Well, let's just say 2 crayons in this box are are E crayons. 2 crayons in this set have an E on them. Have a little purple dash on them. If a team puts away the crayon with a purple dash, then that team is up for elimination. Go. Go. Alright, then. Let's see. So it's kind of a luck-based challenge. Gotcha. Yeah. Luck-based challenge, dude, really? Also, how do we even know which crayons are the bad ones? I had to speak too soon, didn't I? Yeah, you really did. Well, we're up for elimination now, I guess. Yeah. One more elimination spot left. Is it any of these? No? Okay, good. Let me try one. I don't think it's either of those. Is it any of those are all safe. These 2 are safe. Crayons. Let's try these 2. Well, they're safe. Safe ons. Safe ons. Let me try this one. That's the other bad crayon. Well, dang it. Also, to make this more interesting, the 2 people going home are the 2 people that touched the bad crayon. So, flatbed and magnet stick. Dang it. However, that is not the end of today's episode. Because there are 4 teams who have each lost a member. There are 2 teams who haven't. At the end of this episode, there will be 6 teams of 9. Yes, you heard me right. The other 2 teams will lose a member today. Because this was only part 1 of today's episode. Of this challenge. Or something. Of today's episode. So, the other part, let's just say I need 3 members from each of the teams that still have 10 people. 3 people from each team, for each of us. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And also 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, actually 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. So, now that we have you guys, your challenge. Let's just say you 3 will be voting each other off. Let's just say you 6, so the only one's up for elimination. The rest of your team will have to pick one of you guys to vote off. How do we do this? I'm not getting rid of any of them though. The coaches, I think, are less useful on me because of the coaches that we won the last challenge. Oh yeah, I've got human girl, but Thomas. Let's get rid of Thomas. Yeah. We're getting rid of Thomas. Well, see ya, guys. Annie and Clarabelle, you were safe. Now, for the others. Either of them, though. Sir Handel. No, we're not getting rid of freaking Sir Handel. Let's get rid of Scarlowy. I agree, Scarlowy. Guys, no. Well, Peter Sam, you're safe, because clearly it's between Scarlowy and Sir Handel. Sir Handel. Guys, get rid of Scarlowy. Get rid of either of them. Scarlowy. Don't care either. So, Express Coach, who is leaving? Sir Handel or Scarlowy? Me. I don't think I should be in this game. I'm too huge. Okay then. Bye. What? Well, now we have 6 teams of 9. That's where we're going to end it for now as well, by the way. Alright, well anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in episode 6 of Floor's Fantastic Fantasy. Until then, everyone, bye. Huh?